This is the other side of the building as I'm coming over the top of the roof. And what I do notice is where somebody's tried to fix this seam right here. And something needs to be done here. That don't look too good. There. But it seems to be that at every one of the joints, that if we look right below it into the cornice, it's dropping, turning loose. All this stuff really needs to be cleaned up underneath here. See what's going on here, but it's dropping here. Water's, well, look, you can see what's going on here. There's water laying inside the roof, and what we'll probably find is there's the seam right here. Bad shape. We'll have to have a lift because of the air handler here. You can't set any scaffold on that roof in these areas to fix that, so we're going to have a lift. And actually, if you look below that gutter right there on that air handler, look below that downspout, it looks like there's water sitting on top of that air handler. It may be getting in there. I'm not sure what's going on here, but quite a few things that needs to be addressed here. Just as I'm looking, you can see some significant hail damage on these air conditioner units too. They may need to be combed out. I'm not sure